Well, Emma has she'd had that on her head for about 20 seconds. I didn't put it on her, I just found her like that. Wearing it like a halo. I think she actually brought it up here to give to her parents, maybe. Or her grandparents? No? Oh, don't worry. Come on, babe, I'm going to have to get you off there again. Because you are always a right nuisance when you come on here. Come on. Move you away. You can't jump over here. Okay, sweetie, I'm going to put her in now, okay? So she's not bothering you anymore. Ugh. Come on. There you go. She actually flew in to the cage on her own last night. I was really proud of her. I had the other birds all put to bed, and she was out, and she was like, "Nope, none of the other birds are here. I'm going to go straight to bed on my own." Literally the first time she's ever done that. It may sound crazy, but it's usually a real chore for me to get her to go to bed or get her back in her cage. So when she decides to fly in on her own and fly right up to where she wants to sleep, it's a pretty important day. She likes this hammock. Oh, jeez. You knocked the phone over. Hey?